I didn't realize there were so many different types of chiropractic styles.
Yeah, it's interesting because the actual adjustment, depending on what modality you are, it may look similar, but they call it something different. So for example, in physical therapy, it might be a grade 5 mobilization. In osteopathy, they'll call it an osteopathic manipulation. If you work with insurance and you use codes, it's always used as a manipulation. In chiropractic, we don't really like that word. We use adjustment because we want to be specific and scientific with each treatment that we're giving, and it's for a purpose. Because you have 206 bones in the body, we're trained to move every single one of them. You don't need that much input in order to be well. It's about precision and knowing when not to adjust more than when to adjust.